Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Women's Health and Fertility Podcast. So, for this episode, I wanted to address liver detoxification programs. Since the new year is upon us, it's such a great time to discuss this topic. And in our clinic, there are times when we will recommend a liver detoxification plan for our patients, especially if they are taking a break from IVF treatments or if unfortunately they've gone through a couple of treatments and haven't had a successful outcome. So, this detoxification plan that we prescribe helps to metabolize hormones. It can also reduce inflammation and just reduce the toxin loads in our body. So, these detoxification plans can also help to improve our digestion, improve your sleep, and your overall energy, which is what all of us can use, especially after the holidays. So, in our practice here at Revive Chi, we recommend either a 14 or 21-day detox plan, depending on where you're at in your fertility journey. So, for patients that might still be trying naturally, we would have them start the detox program on the first day of their period, and they would follow it for 2 weeks, which should then put them to a place where they would be ending the detox right before the ovulatory phase of their cycle so that they can still continue trying in the cycle without going through a liver detoxification process during the implantation window. But if a patient is taking a break from trying for any type of IVF, IUI, or ART treatments, then a 21-day detox plan is highly recommended because it generally will take 21 days for us to reshape our habits. So, if we're looking for more permanent changes in terms of our eating habits and some of our lifestyle habits, 21 days is usually a good time frame to instill these new habits and to kind of break some of the old patterns that we've been trying to change for a long time. So, liver detox programs are often used to improve overall health, including fertility. And what we like to see in our practice is we really emphasize hormonal balance. And so the liver's role in hormone regulation is really important. So the liver processes and removes excess hormones, including estrogen, progesterone, and other hormones or exogenous hormones that may have been prescribed to us during some type of ART treatment. Proper liver function ensures hormone balance as well as regular menstrual cycles. And this is really critical for ovulation and menstrual regularity, especially for those patients that have PCOS or perhaps they have irregular cycles that are either really short or long, whether it's because of luteal phase defect or just because they're having delayed ovulation and delayed periods. The other thing that a liver detox can do is it can help with the reduction in estrogen dominance. So, a well functioning liver can help prevent conditions like estrogen dominance, which can cause certain conditions like ovarian cysts, fibroids, and polyps that can also impact our cycles. So, how do our detoxification pathways get improved with a liver detox program? Well, the detox programs aim to support the liver by promoting the elimination of toxins from the body. And by reducing these toxin levels, we create a healthier internal environment for conception. It also helps to reduce exposure to endocrine disruptors, and this will lower the burden of chemicals like BPA or pesticides or some of the environmental chemicals that are abundant around us that can mimic hormones and interfere with our reproductive health and our menstrual cycles. So, by improving these detox pathways through a liver detox, it can then help to restore our detoxification pathways and it can help to balance our hormones and our menstrual cycles. The other thing that liver detox programs can help with is it can help with the nutrient absorption of the foods we eat. So, boosting nutrient processing is really important. The liver improves our metabolism and the storage of essential nutrients, including vitamins A, vitamin D, and iron, which are critical for fertility. By increasing nutrient absorption, this also supports healthy egg quality and healthy sperm. So, these are all very important when we're trying naturally, or even if we are looking at some type of fertility treatments to help us with our fertility. In addition, liver detox programs can reduce inflammation. So, some of the inflammatory signs and symptoms that we may have are chronic pain. Sometimes it could show up in skin conditions such as eczema or psoriasis or hives that just come and go. The other thing is gut health issues. That definitely is a sign of inflammation. So, because our detox program includes an anti inflammatory diet where you are eliminating the intake of gluten grains, dairy grains, processed sugars, nightshade vegetables such as bell peppers, eggplant, potatoes, and other peppers. Those foods can also increase inflammation. So, by removing these foods, this will then reduce the inflammatory response in our bodies. So, it can then help to decrease some of the pain we might experience. It can also help with our skin. I myself have suffered from hives and eczema my whole life. And whenever I do a detox, a liver detoxification program, it can really impact my skin and really, really helps with my digestion as well as the condition of my skin. Lastly, weight management can also can be one of the benefits of a liver detox. So, liver health and fat metabolism are connected. So, liver detox programs can improve our metabolism, which can then in turn support healthy weight management. So, as part of our liver detox program, we work on using acupuncture as well as stress reduction techniques to help manage our cravings and manage our stress, which may trigger us to want to eat more or kind of grab those foods that are unhealthy for us. So, all of those sugar cravings and those carb cravings can really be mitigated with acupuncture, ear seed therapy, and other relaxation techniques like yoga, as well as deep breathing exercises and meditation. So, one of the side benefits of a liver detox program is that you generally will drop some weight. Most of our patients will lose anywhere between 6 to 10 pounds, just depending on what their baseline weight is to begin with. And as I mentioned, stress reduction is another side benefit of a detox program. So we really encourage patients to continue their mindfulness practice, whether it's yoga, Tai Chi, taking walks, or hiking. This can really help impact our fertility by decreasing our cortisol levels, which can help to balance our hormones and take us out of a survival mode and put us into a thriving mode. So these are some of the benefits of a detox program. Some of the programs that we encourage our patients to look into is the Thorne Medicare Detox or the Paleo Detox by Designs for Health. So whether you're using the Medicare Detox or the Paleo Detox by Designs for Health, these programs include a protein shake that is fortified in nutrients and detoxification herbs, as well as fiber supplements and detox herbs that can really help to detoxify our liver and reduce inflammation. So, really easy to follow. And as I mentioned before, the diet is a whole food based diet. So, you're still eating well-rounded meals. You're just reducing the intake of gluten grains, alcohol, caffeine, dairy products, refined sugars. And of course, instead of gluten grains, you can opt for non-gluten grains like brown rice, quinoa, millet, or buckwheat. And instead of the nightshade vegetables, we recommend vegetables like leafy greens, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower. Kale is really great, and spinach. There's so many other choices besides those nightshade vegetables. And there are now so many dairy products or dairy substitutes available. So either rice milk, coconut, or nut milks are a great substitute for dairy products. And so those are basically some of the recommendation guidelines for our detox program. And we are so excited because we will be launching in the beginning of January our detox program here at Revive Chi. And this is going to be a 2 or 3 week detox program that all of our patients can join in with us. We'll have a weekly check-in, and we are also offering a discount on the actual detox supplements, 10% off the detox kits, and complimentary ear seed therapy along with your acupuncture treatment. And then lastly, at the end of the detox program, we are offering a Reiki circle with a sound bath. Such a great way to end the detox program and to reward yourself for all of your hard work and your commitment to this detox program. So, whether you are trying to lose a few pounds, or if you're just feeling like you need a reset after the holidays, or you're taking a break from your IVF cycles and you just feel like you need to kind of recalibrate, rebalance your body, and bring itself back into state of homeostasis, this liver detox program can be a great way to kick off that process. So please feel free to reach out if you have any questions about our upcoming liver detox program or about any of our services. And thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Women's Health and Fertility Podcast. Take care and be well. Happy 2025 to all of you.